Hi everyone, the topic is 2 cross 2 linear system. It is present by K. Abhinaya from 3rd CSC B section. It's from Janssen Institute of Technology. Now we are going to the topic. The topic name is 2 cross 2 linear system. 2 cross 2 linear system is nothing but it has the two variables like A or B and X or Y. The two variables alone, and it has the two equations. And the linear system is solving in two methods. The first method is graphing method and the substitution method. The substitution method is easy compared than the graphing method. Now we are see about the graphing method. Example, we have to take the two equations like 2x minus 4y equal to 8, half y equal to 2x plus 2.5. It is solving by graphing method. Now first we have to find the y. So we have to take the 2x minus 4y equal to 8 equations. Now we have find for y. So minus 4y alone left hand side, another the variables and numbers going to the right hand sides. Plus 2x going to right hand side, minus 2x and plus 8 alone right hand side. Now we have to find the y value. Y equal to half 2x minus 2x, and we have to solving the another y equations. The equation is half y equal to 2x plus 2.5. We have to find y. So y alone in the left hand side, another the variables and numbers going to right hand side. Y equal to 4x plus 5. Now we find the y value and x value. So we have to put the point into the graph, seeing like this graph, and we have to solve the another equation in substitution method. Example, 2x minus 4y equal to 8 and half y equal to 2x plus 2.5. We have to solve in the equation in substitution method. Substitution method is nothing but it is a other type of 2 cross 2 linear system. It is easy to compare than the graphing method. Substitution method is nothing but we have to find first y value or x value, and the y and x value is substituted the another equations. It is called substitution method. For example, half y equal to 2x plus 2.5. Solve the second equation for y, because that look like the easiest variable to solve for the equation. So we have to take the half y equal to 2x plus 2.5. Now we want to y. So y equal to 4x plus 5, and we have to solve the 2x minus 4y equal to 8 equation. It is a substitution method. So first we have to find y value. The y value is substitution into the equation 2x minus 4y equal to 8. 2x minus 4, y value is 4x plus 5 equal to 8, and 2x minus 4 into 4 16x plus into minus, and 4 into 5 20 equal to 8. Now we want to x value. So minus 14x minus 20 into the left hand side and 8 into the right hand side. Minus 14x equal to 20 plus 8, 28. X equal to 28 divided by minus 14. So we have to the x value equal to minus 2. And now the minus 2 is a x value. The x value is substitution into the first equation, y equal to 4x plus 5. Y equal to 4, x value is minus 2 plus 5. Y equal to minus 8 plus 5. Y equal to minus 3. The solution point is minus 2 comma minus 3. That's all. Next we have see the another solution. Example, x minus 2y equal to minus 3, 3x minus 7y equal to minus 14. First we have to solve the first equation for x, because it look like the easiest variable to solve for the equation. X equal to 2y minus 3. and the substitute the equation in x equal to 2y minus 3 into the x of other equation. 3x minus 7y equal to minus 14. X value is 2y minus 3. Now we get y value equal to 5. Substitute the y value into the x equation and to get x. X equal to 2y minus 3. Y value is 5. So we get finally x value is 7. So the solution point is 7, 5. And the next example is 3x equal to y plus 6. 6x equal to 2y equal to 3. First we have solved the first equation. Forget y because that look like the easiest variable to solve for. Y equal to 3x minus 6. So now y value is substitute into the equation y equal to 3x minus 6 into the other equation. So we get 12 equal to minus 3. 12 equal to minus 3 is a false statement. This means that there are no solution to the system because we cannot choose the value of x and y. That would ever make the 12 equal to minus 3 is not true. The graphically these two lines must to be the parallel line. And the final example is minus 2x minus 2y equal to minus 6, x equal to 3 minus y. First we have to take the second equation, and 2x minus 2y equal to minus 6. Substitute the equation x equal to 3 minus y into the x of the other equation. So we get minus 6 equal to minus 6. Minus 6 equal to minus 6 is a true statement. This means that are infinitely many solutions to the system because we cannot choose the value of x and y. That would ever make minus 6 equal to minus 6 false. Graphically, these two lines must coincide, one on the top on the another, the same lines. So it has the infinite solutions. Thank you.